How to clean your infrared sauna. You bought it for your health. A place to relax, to detox, to sweat out the stress of life. Your infrared sauna is supposed to be your personal temple, where you sit, breathe, and heal. But what if I told you that same space could be slowly harming you? Because here's the truth most owners don't know. Infrared saunas need cleaning just like any other sweaty space. Sweat, bacteria, skin cells, and even mold, yes, mold, can silently build up inside that beautiful wooden box. And once that happens, your healing session becomes a toxic exposure. But don't worry, today we're breaking down exactly how to clean your infrared sauna properly, naturally, and without damaging it. And once you learn this system, you'll wonder why no one talks about it more. Before we dive in, hit like, subscribe, and let's protect the one place that's supposed to protect you. Click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist bonus. You'll also get access to our free community made for women. Why cleaning your infrared sauna matters more than you think. Unlike a gym sauna that's cleaned by staff every night, your home sauna is your responsibility. And because infrared saunas operate at lower temperatures than traditional steam saunas, bacteria can survive longer on surfaces. Combine that with a humid environment and organic wood surfaces, you've got a perfect recipe for germs, odors, and even mildew to grow unnoticed. The problem is, because it still looks clean, we assume it is. But that sweat you leave behind every day, the oils from your skin, the dead cells that come off as you detox, they seep into the wood, they sit on the bench, they collect between the slats. Over time, the smell changes, the air feels heavier, and instead of feeling refreshed after a session, you feel drained, even a little sick. That's your sign. It's time. Step 1. Vacuum or dust after every few sessions. Let's start simple. One of the easiest things you can do is remove loose dirt, dust, and hair. Infrared saunas are made of wood, cedar, hemlock, or basswood, all of which can collect particles in their grain. A clean glass door not only looks better, but it helps keep the entire unit feeling fresh and well-maintained. It's a small detail, but guests will notice, and so will your peace of mind. Step 4. Let it air out. After every cleaning session, and ideally after each use, open the door and let your sauna air out completely. This is critical. Trapped heat and moisture can create the perfect environment for mold and mildew to grow, especially in dark corners or under the bench. If your model allows it, use a small fan or air purifier nearby to help circulate air faster. Let it breathe, let it dry. This one habit will double the lifespan of your unit and keep it smelling as clean as it looks. Bonus tip: use towels, lots of them. Here's a pro move most sauna owners don't follow. Always sit on a towel, place a second towel under your feet, and if possible, place one against the backrest. This creates a soft, absorbent barrier between you and the wood. The less direct contact your body has with the sauna's surfaces, the less cleaning you'll need to do later. And the towels can be tossed in the washer after each use, unlike the wooden bench. If you're a daily user, this is a game changer. Your sauna stays dry, your cleanup takes seconds, and everything smells better. The emotional payoff: a clean space feels safer. You know that deep sigh of relief you get after stepping into a freshly cleaned room? Now multiply that by 10, because your sauna is supposed to be where your body detoxes and your mind decompresses. A clean sauna isn't just about germs, it's about energy. A clean space feels better. It allows you to actually relax without distractions or guilt. And let's be honest, when you know your sanctuary is spotless, you use it more. You look forward to it, and your body thanks you for it. Your infrared sauna isn't just a luxury. It's a ritual, a healing zone, a quiet act of self-care. And just like your body, it deserves maintenance and respect. Cleaning it isn't a chore. It's part of the ritual. Something that says, this space matters. I matter. So next time you finish a session, take an extra minute, wipe it down, let it breathe, and feel the difference not just on your skin, but in your soul. If this helped, drop a comment. How often do you clean your sauna? And what's your go-to method? Click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. Bonus: You'll also get access to our free community, made for women. Let's build a healthier, cleaner community, one detox at a time.